Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into KuCoin app, secure guide step by step clearly. Open the KuCoin app on your mobile device. Wait for the app to load completely. Once the app has loaded, look for the login button on the main screen. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address or phone number in the designated field. Double-check that your entry is correct. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure your password meets any security requirements specified. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to reset it. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. If two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once all information is entered, review it carefully for accuracy. Tap the login button to submit your credentials. Wait a few moments for the app to process your login request. If your details are correct, you will be logged into your KuCoin account. If there are any errors, review the error messages provided. Make any necessary corrections and attempt to log in again. Finally, you are now ready to start trading on KuCoin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.